Watching videos is one of the easiest ways to make money online. The best part is that there's no limit to how much you can earn from this type of work. There are many platforms that offer payment in exchange for watching videos, but not all of them are worth your time or effort. If you are looking for a way to make money watching videos from home, in this video I will show you how and what is the best sites. But before we start, make sure to stay till the end of this video as I will share amazing methods to make $1,000 a day. Also, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. I am always sharing new amazing and effective free methods, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. Now, let's jump to our today video. It's a fantastic, completely free method. Don't worry about spending any money. You don't need it and can do this from anywhere in the world where your country does not matter. So this is the website we're going to use, and as it says in the title of the video, you get paid to watch new videos. Obviously, there are a lot of ways for people to make money online, but I don't know if any is easier than watching a video. Out there it doesn't take any effort on your part, just spend some hours watching videos. I think you should be willing to put some time into this, at least a couple of hours every day, so you can cash out as fast as possible. And of course, as time goes along and you start making even more money with this website, you can put in even more time so you can make more money. What I like about this website is that they pay really fast and you always have an impressive selection of videos available to watch. They also have a referral program you can earn money from, which is a really cool incentive. But not only do you get $1 when they sign up, but your friend will get $5 as well. They pay by PayPal and a bunch of other methods as well, so it should be no problem for you to get paid from anywhere around the world. Now, all you have to do is just click the sign up button and fill in your information. Then, on your account page, you're going to find videos available for you to watch and start making money with. You're even going to see just how much you can earn by watching these videos. They're all listed down. You can just do this over and over again, watch as many videos as you want and make more money. Lots of people have been using it and they found it to be a really great website for earning money online by watching videos. So let me know in the comments below if you're going to be trying this out. I think it's really easy for beginners. Now, imagine what it would be like to wake up and see $1,000 or more in your PayPal account each and every day. Now you can learn everything from the initial steps of starting making money online to the best techniques for enhancing your strategy to make money online. Ready to take the next step with us? Get more information today. Click the below link and you'll be on your way to financial freedom. Thank you for watching till the end. Now if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to get all my new videos.